Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, so the question is to calculate the rate of production of O2 in mole per second. So here we have been given the rate of consumption of the H2O2 which is equal to 0.020 gram per second. So let's convert it into mole per second. So first we'll calculate the molar mass of the H2O2 which is equal to, so here the hydrogen has the atomic mass of 1 gram per mole multiplied by 2 plus the atomic mass of oxygen which is 16 gram per mole multiplied by 2. So here by calculation it is equal to 34 gram per mole. And let's also calculate the molar mass of the oxygen which is equal to, so it is equal to 32 gram per mole. So now we can find the rate of consumption of H2O2 in mole per second. So here the rate of consumption of H2O2 in mole per second is equal to, so here we'll divide the rate of consumption of H2O2 in gram per second which is 0.020 gram per second divide by the molar mass which is 34 gram per mole. So by calculation we'll get the rate of consumption in mole per second and it is equal to 0.000588 mole per second. So this is the rate of the consumption of H2O2. Now from the balance equation we got to know that 2 moles of H2O2 requires to convert in 1 mole of to produce 1 mole of oxygen gas. So from here, here it is in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 1. So now the rate of consumption of O2 in mole per second is equal to, so here it will be equal to the rate of consumption of H2O2 divided by 2. So here the rate of consumption of H2O2 is 0.000588 mole per second divided by 2. So here the rate of consumption is thus equal to 0.000294 mole per second. Now finally we can convert the rate of consumption of O2 from mole per second to mole per minute. So here since 1 minute consists of 60 seconds. So here the rate of consumption of O2 in mole per minute is equal to, so in mole per second it is 0.000294 mole per second, and here we'll multiply it by 60 second in 1 minute per minute. So here it is equal to, so by calculation we'll get the rate of consumption of O2 in mole per minute and it is equal to 0.01764 mole per minute. So this is the rate of consumption of O2. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.